He says, Barry, you see the nervy walls? They answer why? He tells her that he has to run to a wall so he can get through it. He says, why? He answers, if you vibrates at the natural frequency of air, his body will be in a state of existence that should allow him the pass-through that will leaving the boom on the other side. He says, sure. He answers, you can do this. I believe in you. He says, thank you. He says, listen to him and that he should breathe. Feel the air, feel that wind in your face, the growth your feet lift, you are pushing you forward, and the beam, Barry, the other beam, feel power, it's electricity pumping through the veins of the toe, flirting through your traveling to every nerve in your body. My God, the shock will push you now part of something more, of a speed force. It's you. Now do it.